Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We are at the Rivian First Mile event today at Sonoma Raceway in California, checking out their new Rivian R1T.
On 20s, is that what? Whichever.
Don't care.
Whichever you have keys
Let's
for.
do silver.
You want to do silver? All right, do it.
That's my color of choice. Just out what it feels like in the back here.
Is it currently like on what height is it? 11.5. Yep, 11.5. So it's in our all-purpose mode and standard ride height. Okay. All right. So first things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust my steering wheel to make sure it's good. So you click here, use the scroll wheels for reach.
Is that right? We take pictures and stuff?
Yeah, of course. That's what we're here for. We're gonna have fun, right?
Sweet.
And then I'm gonna do the side mirrors. Same thing, so those little tactile buttons on the side here. You go left and right. Turn these bad boys off. Alright. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Belt on? Alright.
It's pretty spacious back here, I must say.
So do you guys have pre-orders in or not yet?
I do.
Oh, you
Yep.
do?
Yeah,
Awesome.
I do.
Okay.
I'm gonna convince this guy to get one too.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'll help you with that. We'll make this drive interesting, alright?
For sure.
Sounds good?
One of our buddies is an engineer.
Okay.
Yeah, or what does he do?
He's working on the online transactional side.
Really?
Yeah.
Very cool. That's awesome.
He's
stuff.
actually currently in Norman right now.
Really?
Yeah, he was there for the ring-in.
I got our GPS here. Media button. Nothing connected right now. Spotify.
Nice.
Alright. We're ready to go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's rock and roll.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay. It's handling the terrain pretty well. Yeah.
You good so far?
Feel free to push it harder.
How's it feel for the down? Oh, amazing. Smooth. Super smooth. So do you guys have prior EV experience?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. So that regen braking, we're in high right now, so you can actually really feel it come to a stop.
Wow. Wait, was that the brakes or regen?
That was regen. All regen.
That's some nice pickup. Somebody's having some fun over there. Is that dust? Or the clouds?
So you're gonna have home charging set up, or you already do?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then what color did you pre-order?
I did this model actually. This is the base silver, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Do any of these have the max pack in there? Or
No, unfortunately.
is that not being manufactured yet?
I'm not sure when that's coming, but hopefully we get more information, because that's what I'm excited about too.
Yeah.
400 miles of range sounds awesome to me.
Do you have an insight into what it will actually be?
I don't know, unfortunately.
They say 400 plus, but I'm curious
Yeah.
as to what the plus will be.
Yeah, they just kind of say, hey, you're driving people. Don't give me any of the cool information. Just make sure the ride is good, right?
Nice. Yeah, it's really soaking it up. Suspension is pretty well tuned here.
It's of everything.
Yeah.
You don't
I'm
feel
impressed.
Like sliding or anything.
Nothing. And I'm hitting these turns pretty hard too.
Yeah.
It's pretty loose too.
The traction control seems pretty, yeah. Super smooth ride. I'm gonna get some air.
guys ready for the 0 to 60?
Oh yes. Let's look at that odometer here. Speedometer, I should say.
So 0 to 60 uphill too.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
We're gonna have a good time.
Get your own flag waver and everything.
So while we wait, I can kind of go over more stuff. So you got your cameras here, so you your front, your wheel wells here. You look at the back, super clear quality.
For a tow, is there anything for the tow in terms of you have a hitch on and you're actually towing either a trailer or something like in terms of like auto parking or like rear auto parking?
That's a really good question. I don't have information on that.
Okay.
Did you guys get a chance to check out all of the field or not yet?
We haven't yet. We
Okay,
actually
cool.
just got here.
Oh,
so,
perfect,
yeah.
cool, yeah. So all those product specialists, they're gonna have a lot of that technical information, everything like that.
Perfect, perfect.
Well, look at that one go.
Dang.
That's some pickup. No pun intended.
Uphill too.
Don't worry, we're gonna have more fun than that.
0 to 200.
That'd be nice, right? What else can I
Get the V-Box.
AC controls, you can turn those bad boys on, rear, and it's all super, super responsive.
Do you have any idea as to like what the aftermarket ability was going to be on this car?
I don't, but I'm hoping for some cool stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
That's what
there's
I'm
definitely.
hoping
I didn't hear much at SEMA, but
Oh, were they at SEMA?
I
Were you
think
guys at SEMA?
I'm not too sure, but like I said, I've only been with the company here for 5 weeks now. So
Oh, there you go.
yeah, so I'm super new to this. So
Nice.
I like the interior fit and finish though. Looks
It's
really
nice,
polished. Yeah.
And you got your cup holder that pops out right here.
This is like the
Yeah, like the
Mhm, yep.
Alcantara on the.
That's deep. Need to get it like a cooler in here.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
It's pretty comfortable back here, I must say.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Dude,
You're super ready?
Yep.
super ready. Is there a launch mode?
Nope, but we're gonna have fun.
Ooh!
Oh, that,
Wow.
That throws you back.
Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. That definitely threw me back. I think you can hear my back hit the wall, hit the seat.
All right.
Oh, that was awesome.
And then around here, kind of feel some of the.
Corner. Oh, nice.
No squeaks at all.
Yeah, no chirping whatsoever.
You guys need to have an event at Pikes Peak.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Did you see they just announced the next event? It's gonna be in Agua Dulce in LA. So that's where the next event's gonna be.
Ah, might have to head down for that.
There you go.
When are the dates?
December.
Okay.
So right after Thanksgiving, I think.
Can we sign in or sign up at this event or?
I wish that'd be cool.
Are you traveling with this sort of whole
I did this one, but I'm not doing the Agua Dulce one.
Gotcha.
I'll probably try and do another one after that.
Super smooth.
Is there any off-camera stuff in this track?
No. We did have to kind of adjust here and there, but
We can make our own off-camera.
yeah, right?
Yeah, just go up the side of that hill there. We don't want to get you fired.
As much as I'd like to
Yeah.
have a good time, you're right. I definitely need to keep my job.
This is super smooth though. It's like Cadillac smooth. I'm impressed. I am very impressed. Is it air suspension or magnetic? Any idea?
I don't know the exact answer on that one.
Mhm.
So I don't want to give you the
Yeah.
information. But the cool thing too is in these modes you can actually switch modes on the fly.
Okay.
So you can actually go into off-road mode and it can raise
Lower.
your ride height as you're driving. You don't have to stop or anything like that.
Nice. Super quiet in here too, you know? It's luxurious.
And that's the course, my friends.
Sweet, man.
Hope you
Thanks
guys
a
have a
lot.
good time.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
Really appreciate it.
Anytime.
That was the highlight of my day / week.
Yeah, we weren't sure we were going to be able to ride in it.
Well, I'm glad we were able to get you guys in.
That's awesome. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. Like the electric Jag there.
Yeah, some of these. There was a Roadster here this morning. I don't know if it's still
really?
here. A green Roadster. It
Mm.
was super nice. Yeah, it's gone now. But it was cool to see that.
I almost bought Chad Hurley, the founder of YouTube, his Roadster.
Really?
I should have. Yeah.
You should have.
I really should have. I'm kicking myself. It's okay, I'll have a Rivian and go off-road.
Yeah, you get the better part of that one.
Sweet. Should we wait or
You guys can hop out here. That's
Okay,
fine.
cool.
Yeah.
how do we?
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, thanks.
Do you mind if I try sitting in the front seat?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh wait, I guess I can do it in one of those parked ones,
Yeah,
huh?
whichever one, however you want to do it.
Oops. Thank you. Roomy in the back, you know?
Please hold for the next available
Emergency.
agent.
Why is this doing this?
Yeah, this is comfortable in the front.
Hey, Pat, can you come here for a second, right behind you?
You got a bug? Yeah.
I'm convinced.
Yeah, I'm convinced. I'm not the hugest fan of the headlights, but nothing the aftermarket can't solve. That wraps up our first ride in the Rivian R1T. Enough to convince us to put a reservation down for one. Smash that like button if we've earned it. We'll catch you in the next one.